Welcome back to the 993 project, guys. Today we're going to be doing the interior. I just got the interior back from my friends at C&L Upholstery in Tempe, Scottsdale. They did my blue Kazi and the Mercedes G-Wagon, and they did an incredible job on redoing these Recaro seats that I bought. Now, I ordered some material from Relicate online. They sell all types of crazy plaids and Porsches and tartan material. So this is going to be really cool. Let's check this out. So here are the seats again. I got these seats from SRRX Seats. They take OEM authentic genuine Recaro seats and redo them. So they put brand new black leather on these seats, got them off eBay. And then I got the material, like I said, off Relicate, and then I sent it over to C&L and they redid it all. So here we got the Recaro LS-B. So these got the bigger bolsters. And the reclinable. We did the rear seats, so you got the bottom cushions, I got the back cushions, and then we did the door panels. So all of this interior is all done. We took it all out, so now we got to put it all back in. Right up first, we're going to start with the driver's side door panel, so let's get this thing put in. We got both door panels done, so that was a little bit of work, but turned out really good. Adds a nice little touch to there, so definitely got to clean these things down. See the other one there, but yeah, that looks good. So we're going to take the seats out, that way we have more access to put the back seats back in, and then we'll get the front seats started to finish off the interior. So we got both seats out, and I kept the bolts there. Those are the bolts we'll use to bolt down the new sliders. So now it's time to tackle the rear. Kind of see I got the rear cushion sitting there, but we can bolt all that stuff in pretty quick. So back part of the seats are in. Those are pretty simple. They just clip and screw down the carpet. Now I got to glue down the seat cushions. So that's next up on our to-do list here. Now my wife and I probably spent about 8 hours today working on the car. That's the new door card with the new fabric on it. It looks pretty good. But look at these seats, the Recaro LS-Bs, all done up to match in that special Relicate Porsche material. Don't remember what it's called. So I think we need to do a detail on it, take it out, drive it, get some cool video and some more pictures. But other than that, so far this thing has really changed and looks way better.